Now that it's summer, you get a lot of mangoes, but the problem is that whenever you eat mangoes, it increases the body heat, and because of that body heat you start getting pimples. And who doesn't love mangoes? But if you don't want pimples on your skin, then I'll be sharing with you a drink that will help in cooling your body, and that uses mangoes. And I'll be sharing with you two other summer cooling recipes also that will help in cooling your body. So let's get started.